Hello, morning everyone. Okay, coming back to the analysis for the weekend. Yep, this is JJ from sharing the week boys. So for every week, I will be actually sharing what I actually will be anticipating the market to do, and then for the next week, and then also do a quick review on what has happened over the week. Okay, so let's move on to the chart itself. Okay, so for start, let's move on to what has happened for the last week and what trade did I actually took for the last week. And yeah, so last week actually I did mention about of course the first of all is on the US dollar, right? So US dollar I was expecting it to actually go up higher, but as you can see it kind of like went weaker. So if you look and refer to the chart, you can see that it is actually right now, um, I would say more like a consolidation, like a flag, as you can see over here. So this is the flag that is actually forming. So last week, for the USD pair, it has been quite ranging. It has been consolidating. Other than Aussie's dollar against USD, or yeah, or Aussie's dollar against USD, which was quite a good move for the Aussie's dollar. I mean, it has been strong last week. But other than that, I mean, euro and pound, yeah, there is pullback, but it is more like quite choppy. There isn't yeah, trending move. Okay, so it has been like just chopping around and moving, just drifting higher, right? So it looks the similar like the US dollar index. So yep, this is the one. So I'm just thinking that since this is still on the uptrend, and as you can see, this is a move. Then right now there is a push up on the daily time frame over here. So right now over here is just a consolidation before it move up higher to test this another key level, key high resistance level or whatnot on the daily time frame. So yeah, I do think that there is still room. I mean, on the fundamental side of things and from the technical side of things, you can see that I yeah it still has the momentum to actually move up higher in terms of the structure and all that. Okay, so that's on the USD. I think that it should be still having another leg up at least on the upside. Yeah, considering also that the non-farm payroll and also the interest rate decision will be coming this week. Okay, this coming week of week 18. Okay, so that's on the US dollar. I mean, yeah, this is just um an extension, like I mentioned, mentioning about the last week and also what is going to come for this week. And let's also look at, I think, yeah, we can take a look at silver. So silver wise, yeah, I did took trades on silver as well, and silver has been on the uptrend so far. So nice. It has a pullback. Okay, this pullback was quite a deep one, and also it came to this support level. So I was thinking, maybe this can be a good continuation to the upside, but it might be a case that it is still not that strong, or it hasn't have too much of a momentum to push it higher. So I did actually give me 1 minute. I did actually go on a long after this consolidation, and then yeah, the price just went sideways, and I think I took a loss on this for the silver, and after which I did go on and long again. Yeah, so these are small position on my end to test out this silver, because one thing is, of course, for my strategy or some yeah strategy, I was looking at this. The H4 actually formed a lower low over here, which I wasn't that. I mean, yeah, if it is a nice trend, I should see continuation of a higher high, higher low, and all that, not breaking the previous um, higher low per se, right? Higher low per se for the 4 hourly 4 hourly structure. Okay, so this has broke, but it came down to a level which I think it could reverse. So this was the support resistance level of the last. So that was where I think, okay, maybe this is a reversal, a, a probable reversal area for silver. Anyway, yep. So I did have a small position over here going long. I think it just went sideways, and then I just took out the position after some time. Okay, so I also did go on and long another time over here with this breakup. Okay, so the structure should look something like this. Okay, so it came down and then it consolidated, and then there was a breakout. So I thought it could be having some momentum to break up higher. Okay, so anyway, it did came up, but I think I took out some profit, but after which it just stopped me out from. I mean, stopped me out for my trailing stop loss. Reason being is that I don't really like to see it coming back. Especially, I mean, this actually closed below this last high low for silver. So this was, I think I put my stop loss here. Anyway, it got took out on Friday itself. Okay, so I took some, and then there is some left that was taken out by the trailing. So that's just trading. Okay, so this was on silver, and then if you can see, actually there is a bit of I mean, if you are on the bearish what you call it, bear camp, right? You do I mean, it could be the case that this is already the top, and then there's a lower low over here on the 4 hourly. Right now, it seems like it could be forming a flag to break down lower. Okay, so two things. It's either it can be supported. It can be the case that this is just a consolidation before it break up higher, or this would be a flag that it just break down lower. So if you are interested in trading the silver, next week you can just take a look at how these things going to play out. Okay, considering that this was quite a big selling bar, as you can compare with the other recent bars, right? It is one of the bigger selling. So it's telling you something that it could be selling off or something like this. You see, this is only like 3.6% down. This is a good 5% bar, downwards bar. Okay, so that is my take on silver. Likewise, for gold as well. But I would say that if you want to short, silver will be the one that's bearish more compared to the more bearish as compared to gold. Okay, so gold isn't that nice as well, but it is not that bearish as compared to silver. Okay, that's about it. Okay, then I also did a short on the Euro Aussies. Euro Aussies, yep, over here. Okay, so Euro Aussies, I did a short, and then I think, I did a short over here, somewhere here. Okay, on the Wednesday or Thursday. I think it was Thursday. Okay, Thursday. So this was the short I took. It was a what you call that, short time frame entry for this breakdown from here. But after which I understand that there's a news on I think 8:30 there's a US news on Thursday itself. So I did place my trailing accordingly, and then it took out. So I took out some over here, and then some somewhere along the low over here, and then the rest of the position just got out from the trading. Okay, so my entry was around here. So that's I think a M15 entry. Yeah, over here. So this was the break, and then it went down nicely. After which, yeah, reversed back all the way up here. Okay, so this was the Euro Aussies trade I took. So reason being why I took this, yeah, the trend is downwards, and this it's sort of like a consolidation over here. So I was also quite mindful about the low over here, and then yeah, things like that. But okay, so after that on Friday itself, it just went down lower where there isn't any what you call that entry for me after that on Friday itself. Okay, so that's on Euro Aussies, and then I think I also took a trade on Nikkei. Okay, Nikkei 225. Okay, so yeah, Nikkei, what did okay, that was a more of like, I mean, according to my own style trading, I do feel that that was a counter trend trade. Reason being is that it has already broke, forming new low over here on the daily and also on the 4 hourly. So this was a pullback, and yeah, I think I also mentioned about yeah, waiting for the pullback to actually go on the short for the Nikkei. Okay, so it actually came back to here. I'm not sure if I have mentioned about it, but yeah, anyway, what I did was I do see that if you go down to a lower time frame, okay, this is on the 1 hourly. So you can see over here, this is like a double bottom over here. And then, yeah, I think I went along somewhere over here, and it came back bouncing, and then it went up again. Okay, so this was like a double bottom here, and then it broke out, and it came back up again. Okay, so this was somewhere that I took the close the trade and took the profit. Okay, so anyway, this is the other trade that I have took, and moving forward to what is coming for this week. I have a couple of things I wanted to mention. I think already did mention about no, I didn't mention about this. Okay, anyway, I did mention about USD, that I think it will be going stronger this coming week. Yeah, but do take note of the we call that FOMC, and also the non-farm payroll on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so I will be, if let's say USD is going to be strong, then yeah, I'm actually looking at pound dollar to go on short. Just yeah, I think we just look at the higher time frame. Okay, reason being, I do think it's still considerably weaker compared to the other majors. So this is the level, and there's some rejection over here. So likely I'm looking at it to actually go lower. Okay, so of course, once this uptrend on the 4 and 1 hourly is going to break, then likely there will be more downside. So likewise, yeah, I think New Zealand dollar USD is also one of them. Okay, so this is the you can call it a pullback. Sorry, pullback, that I'm also looking at it to actually reject and come back down lower. Okay, reason being, of course, this is on the downside of things. Okay, predominantly a nicer trend to play. Okay, then I think dollar yen I've mentioned before, and yeah, I think it's more like there isn't much movement, and I think I just ditch it and traded on some other thing. But it has been a nice move, especially after the BOJ. But this wasn't a easy pair to play with, especially on Friday itself. So yeah, as you can see, after I don't know, I can't remember what time is it that the yeah, can't remember what time, because you it just go on tentative. Yeah, I think 11 plus 12, I mean 2 p.m. Singapore time. So yeah, you can see there is actually a whip that if you go down to the 1 minute, right, this This dip was only for like 2 minutes before it came back all the way up. So you can see this is the 1 minute time frame. It went down 1 minute, 2 minute, and at the third minute it just came back all the way, few hundred pips of move just like this. Okay, and then okay, subsequently after that, of course, it went back up all the way and even break up even higher. Yep. Okay, so that was what actually happened for the dollar yen, and likewise for the dollar crosses. Okay, so it even went up higher after the in the US session. Okay, yeah, after this, it went up another few hundred pips, I think. Yeah, few 150. Okay, so that's on dollar yen, and frankly, yeah, I think I won't be trading this because yeah, it's either you're gonna scalp it higher, or it's just waiting for I don't know, for something to happen. Maybe there could be another intervention by the BOG. Okay, so anyway, I also wanted to bring our attention across to pound cat, which I think could be yeah, a pullback for us to go on short on this pound cat. Reason being is that on this uptrend, it has already broke. This is on the daily. It broke down, came back, retest, break again with a lower low, and right now it's just pulling back. And then yeah. So for last week, maybe I did mention, but there isn't any good reversal for us to go on short um, for that matter. So yeah, I think I did focus too much on that. I just let it continue to go upwards. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing I think you can take note of for pound cat to go on the reverse, as in yeah, to turn downwards from here on, or maybe it will go up higher. Yeah, nothing is for sure. So this is what I see. So yeah, you can see lower low over here. Right now it's just pulling back all the way back into the resistance zone. So this could be the turning point for the pound cat. Okay, so that should be all for what I wanted to mention. Yeah, I think I briefly also mentioned about the metals as well. So yeah, that's all for this week, and thanks for listening till now. And yeah, see you all next week. Thank you.